Beehiiv versus Substack. Which newsletter platform is better? Choosing the right newsletter platform can transform how you connect with your audience without technical headaches. Beehiiv and Substack both offer unique tools for creators and writers. Beehiiv and Substack are popular newsletter platforms designed to help creators share content and grow audiences. The core difference lies in Beehiiv's focus on advanced growth and monetization tools, while Substack emphasizes simplicity and ease of use for writers. Beehiiv is a newsletter platform built for creators aiming to scale their audience and revenue. It offers a robust set of features including customizable templates, advanced analytics, and built-in referral programs that encourage organic growth. Beehiiv supports multiple subscription tiers and integrates with popular payment processors, making monetization straightforward. The platform also provides tools for audience segmentation and A/B testing, which help optimize engagement. Beehiiv's interface is user-friendly but offers deeper customization options compared to basic newsletter services. However, this complexity may be overwhelming for beginners who prefer a simpler setup. Ideal users include creators, marketers, and businesses focused on growing an engaged subscriber base and maximizing revenue opportunities through detailed insights and flexible subscription models. Beehiiv's strength lies in its growth-driven features, but it may require a learning curve for those new to newsletter platforms. Substack is a straightforward newsletter platform designed primarily for writers and independent publishers. It enables users to create and distribute email newsletters with minimal setup, focusing on content creation rather than technical management. Substack offers an intuitive editor and simple subscription management, allowing writers to start publishing quickly. Monetization is supported through paid subscriptions, with Substack handling payment processing and distribution. The platform's strength is its ease of use and built-in audience discovery tools, helping writers reach readers without additional marketing efforts. However, Substack offers fewer customization options and advanced growth tools compared to Beehiiv. It is best suited for individual writers, journalists, and small publishers who want a hassle-free way to monetize their writing and build a loyal subscriber base without managing complex features. Limitations include less flexibility in design and fewer analytics, which might restrict scaling efforts for larger or more marketing-focused newsletters. Beehiiv and Substack serve different needs despite both being newsletter platforms. Beehiiv excels in growth and monetization tools, ideal for creators who want to actively expand their audience and experiment with subscription tiers or referral programs. For example, a marketing professional or business can leverage Beehiiv's analytics and segmentation to target specific groups and increase revenue. On the other hand, Substack prioritizes simplicity and content-first publishing, perfect for writers focused on delivering quality content quickly without technical distractions. A journalist or independent author can start a paid newsletter on Substack with minimal effort and rely on its audience discovery features. The trade-off is between Beehiiv's advanced customization and growth capabilities versus Substack's streamlined, writer-friendly experience. Choosing depends on whether you value marketing flexibility or ease of use. Choose Beehiiv if you want powerful growth tools, detailed analytics, and flexible monetization options to scale your newsletter strategically. Substack is the best choice for writers seeking a simple, no-fuss platform to publish and monetize content quickly. Both platforms excel in different areas, so pick the one that aligns with your goals and audience needs for the best newsletter experience.